Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what it is a water pitcher filter that you can use to filter your water if you guys are too lazy to boil water or whatever. This is by the brand right here, as you can see, ZeroWater. For the product right here, it actually has 5 different stages of filtering, if you can see right here. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that they also provide you a water quality meter. So right here, as you can see. So you guys can use this to kind of like test like the water quality and everything, as you can see right here. I'll show you guys how to use this in a second. But let's open up the product first and show you guys what it looks like and everything and how to use it. First thing we can see right here is that they provide a little user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and all the different filtering stages and everything. And then here is the product itself, so let's take this out. Alright, so as you can see the product itself is nicely wrapped and brand new. But I'm going to open this part up. Definitely really cool design and everything. They have the little brand logo right there. They have this very cool option right here that I haven't seen a lot of different water filters have. But you guys can basically have this part right here where you can push it down like this and it'll dispense the water out. So that's actually really cool. Top part, they have this little slot right here that you guys can actually put your little meter right here onto here. And they have this little tape part right here. So let me remove this part and see what the inside looks like. Alright, when we open the inside, this is basically what it looks like right here. So they provide us the filter. The filter itself is quite heavy, if you guys can see. This is basically what the filter bag looks like. So it says that it can actually remove up to 99.6% of the dissolved solids. And it's actually certified to reduce lead. And it also tells you guys when you guys should replace the filter itself with using this little meter that we have right here to test it. So let me show you guys what else is inside first before I open this up and test it out. Alright, so you guys want to remove this part right here. And then inside you can see that's what it looks like in there. So there's like a little protective layer right here. And then there's the instruction little card right here, another one. You guys can see. So it teaches you guys how to set up and how to use it and everything, and how to use the meter and how to set up the filter. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually open the filter real quick and then we're gonna go test it out to see whether or not it actually works. Alright, so here is the filter. Alright, so this is basically what the filter looks like. If you guys can see, let's open it up. Alright, so this is basically what the filter looks like once you open the little cap right here. If you guys can see, that's what the inside looks like. So the way how you guys put on the filter after you guys remove it from the blue cap, you guys want to put it on the bottom like this and twist it on. Make sure it's secured, and then you guys can see it's fully set up like that, if you guys can see. So that's what the product looks like once you guys fully set up the filter and everything right here and the inside right there. So now let's go set this all up and pour some water inside. Alright, so here we have the product right here. I have the water right here, so let's pour some water in. Take off the lid first, and then pour the water inside. So pour as much as you can first and let the water slowly go down. You guys can see it's starting to work. If you guys look at the bottom, you see that it's working and it's slowly dripping out the water, it's filtering out the water. But obviously since it's our first time doing it, you guys want to make sure to like let the filter itself work a little bit first, and then also wash the container of like this part right here. Once everything's clean to use, especially like the pitcher itself and also the filter and that dispenser itself, just play around the dispenser to make sure everything's all clean before using it. Then you guys can start drinking your water normally and we can use the tester itself. So I'm going to let this filter clean off itself first, and also the pitcher itself and also the dispenser, and then we're going to test out the water. Alright, so we got a product right here. Everything's all set up. I'm using this little container or this cup right here or bowl to kind of test out the water and everything. So let's pour it out first. I'm going to use the dispenser right here to pour it out. Alright, so that should be a good amount. And then we're going to use a little tester right here to test it out. Alright, so we got 2 different bowls right here. One of them that is filtered right here that you just saw me pour. And I just brought in another bowl right here that is from the actual tap water and everything. So let me show you guys what the difference is. If you guys look at the number right here, it's 000, so that means clean water. And then if I put over here, you guys can see the number went to 034, so the water is not clean for tap water, you can see right here. And if you guys look at the color between both water, you can see like a pretty huge difference as well. This one actually looks much cleaner and this one doesn't look clean at all. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that everything works pretty well, really easy to use, easy setup, easy process to like clean it, easy process to even use it. I really love the option how you guys have the pour option, or you guys have the option to like dispensing it using the bottom part. I've never seen one in the water pitcher until now though, so that's actually really cool and really interesting. In terms of the size of which one you guys can get, the one that I have right here is a 10 cup. They do have one, I believe is like 8 cups, so depending on how much water you guys want to hold and how big your fridge is, that's how you guys determine which one to get. But the one I got right here is 10 cups, so it should be more than enough. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think this is actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want to drink clean water. Then this is actually a really cool product to have around the house and office or wherever you guys want to have it, especially because of the fact that they provide you that little water quality meter so you can check your water. Regardless if you guys want to use the pitcher or not, you guys can use that little meter to check like the quality of your water, which is pretty awesome. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for the G Squad fan shout day we have